off we go. Turning around. Farewell to Lisbon from my cabin. Open the door. Getting a free tour of Lisbon by the sea. There comes the George Washington Bridge. Beautiful sunny day here in Lisbon. A lot of you on Instagram like that video of just the ocean. But here is departing Lisbon. Taking you with me. We're arriving in Spain, and this is another view of the ocean. This is the first time I've seen two ships out here in this wide expanse of the ocean. You realize that 75% of the world is ocean. In fact, there's 4 out here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it must be that we're in Europe now, between Portugal and Barcelona. Same thing happened at the airport. I was watching in Lisbon, 7 airplanes were coming in to land. Enjoy the ride. And in the Straits of Gibraltar. There in the distance must be the Rock of Gibraltar.
massive thank you to everyone here at MSC for having us on board. We hope you've had a lovely time, and please give it up for our wonderful dancers. First we have Sean.
Arriving in Spain, and there's the city of Barcelona up ahead. Mike, here I am in Barcelona, about to have a real paella. And I hope all of you guys out there eat your heart out, but you can't be here. To all of you who are watching my channel, I'm in Barcelona and I'm about to eat a Spanish paella, seafood. So I hope all of you enjoy it. Well, like they say, all good things must come to an end. And today's my last day on the cruise. It's been 15 wonderful days. Eating good, seeing shows. Every moment you're on a ship, you're moving. So you never feel like you're not doing anything, because even when you're doing nothing, you're cruising. Yeah, the ocean's out there. The beds are made for you. The coffee's delivered first thing in the morning. You go up, do exercise, go have breakfast. Lunch is waiting for you. Dinner's waiting for you. You come back to your room. The bed is made for you for the night. It's just been a wonderful experience. The food left a little bit to be desired, but then I'm used to cruising on the old days when the food was a lot more plentiful. But I guess today, with the economy and everything being so expensive, it's a different world now, cruising. But I just want to give you a quick run around my room so you can see what a nice cabin I had. You can see the closet space. Back there is the shower and bathroom. King-size bed, beautiful mirrors. There I am. And then right there is my patio. And my ocean view. My sofa. So I had a very nice day. A lot of people say, Bill, well, how was it traveling alone? And I said, well, better alone than in bad company. And I'm sure a lot of you could agree with me on that one. And here's your last view of the ocean. And I guess we'll be in Rome in the morning and say farewell to the ship. Till next time. Bye. Well, on to part 4, 16 days touring Italy. I hope you enjoyed that part as much as I did, touring all the wonderful B&Bs and the major cities of Italy. See you there.